There's a bird in our basement, and we are on a mission. Oh my god, it's staring at me.
We need some safety goggles for this.
Where did it go?
Behind one of those.
From Sawallisch News, reporting back to Jericho on the latest bird issue in the basement.
We're trying to locate the bird right now.
As you can tell, we spotted the bird from our horrific screams. We still got the fly swatter and the bread. We're currently reporting back from the latest issue of the bird capture.
Are you recording?
Yes. Alright, we're rolling. We spotted it.
We spotted, and he does not want bread.
Where is it? The bird has currently relocated to the area in which we need to be.
Unfortunately.
He's on the stairs. We're currently trying to find the bird. I don't see him.
I don't see it anywhere.
Watch him come out and attack us. Where did he go? We are currently taking a lunch break, apparently, from our duties, bird duties.
Maybe we need a bird app. Is there a bird app?
Mother is now here to capture the bird.
It tracks the light.
Oh, that's in your way.
There it goes! Well, now he's back that way. Shoot!
Here comes Jericho. Maybe. Maybe. She has her shield and her spear. Oh my god. Is he up there? Oh yeah, he is. Angela is currently looking for the bird. Where is he?
Where is it?
Oh my god, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. There. Come on.
No! Shut the door! Get in here!
Reporting from Sawallisch News, the bird has been captured and is now in his natural habitat. Thanks, Sue, Mama, and
Thank
Jericho.
the Lord.